welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make some texture tools out of things you may have laying around or things that you can acquire that's pretty simple to get with no money. So let's get into it. You can go to any furniture store, usually, and they have like the samples for like the materials and things like that. Ask them if they have any free sample books, which is pretty cool because in the sample book sometimes they have these leathers. I'm gonna put it on the side that shows like the pattern, you know. It gives you a nice little animal print. If you want to do like some earrings or some jewelry or whatever you're making, I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna lay on top of it. Actually, you want to find like a piece that you like there and then lay that on top, and then you're gonna roll it kind of hard on there and then lift it off, and check that out. Then it gives you this skin. If you get the right type of paper, it works nicely. You know, this is sandpaper. It's pretty coarse. See that roughness? And just roll it on really nice and hard. Sometimes it'll stick to it, but look at that. That's pretty cool. It's got this matte finish to it with some texture. Looks really neat. I love this one actually a lot. Yeah, and that's a good one. Next, let's try a kind of like a mermaid tail or a fish scaly texture. This you should have laying around. Sometimes, like when you go shopping, it's the netting for like onions or whatever you have, you know. If you want smaller scales, then place it on there small. If you want larger ones, place it large. I'm gonna do the small because I really kind of want the small ones right now, just so I can show you how cute it looks. And then just kind of press it on there. There's that. And then roll it. There we go. And then when you pull it off, check that out. Looks like a mermaid fishy tail scale. Pick out a nice spot that you want. And then just lightly press. This gives a nice animal texture. Animal skin texture, that is. I've done the sandpaper, I've done the leather skin, I've done this, which is like for the mermaid, for like the mermaid skin or fishy skins. I did the avocado, which I thought was cool. And here's the bonus, a snake skin. I got this at the same place I got the other leather. There's different ways you could do it. So this one has the bumps like that. Has the bumps that are indented because it's on the other side, and that's like the actual skin. Find a spot that you like, big, small, whatever, put it on there, and like the other ones, you're just gonna roll it and then pull it off. Look at that. Look how cool. And then you have like that pattern. If you wanted, you could go back and you could paint in it. Another thing you could do would be you could bake these and make bigger ones, and then use them as like little baked slabs that you can roll your clay on or press into your clay. But if you do that and you're using polymer clay, you need to use like a cornstarch on top of that plate, because the clay will stick to the plate if you do it that way. Those are my 5 little textures that I had, the snakeskin being the last, the avocado being one of my favorites. So that's that, and I hope you enjoyed my texture video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more art-related content. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!